I do like on the Singer 9180 that if I have created kind of a new combination of embroidery designs, or I've taken an existing design and changed its color and its size, is I can save it to the machine. So I'm going to just kind of create a design with some letters and then show you how we can save it, and then also where does it save it to. So for tomorrow, I want to stitch it out, I can retrieve it, and I'm all ready to go. Now we have tons of video tutorials that are free to watch on YouTube. You can find the link to the complete playlist in the description below. And we do ask that every time you watch a video, you click like. It is the YouTube etiquette for saying thank you for free content that you watch. All right, let's get started. Let's take a design, and we've kind of been using this design, so I'm going to start by selecting it. And if I want to add to this design, I can come up here where there's kind of the group ungroup option. So that means I want the design to stay on screen, and maybe we're going to come in and add the word hello to this area, touch the green check mark, and then we can actually move it around. So let's say we get everything where we want it to be. I find the green check mark, and I want to save this design. Touch the editing tool, and you'll find a place with kind of the old-fashioned floppy disk. That's still funny that that is still the symbol for save on some machines. Here we go, save. Your design has been saved. Well, that's good to know, but where did it save to? So let's just go ahead. We're just going to touch the trash can. Trash can just means clearing off the items on the screen. We can go back out to our designs, and we have a folder right here. The folder is where we would find our saved design. So it will remain here. Touch it, and it will be right back ready to stitch. If you've changed colors, if you've brought in other designs, say from a USB stick, that's also where you will find them. Remember, you will come in here and go save from USB stick, and then they will load onto the machine, and then that's how you do use designs that you're moving via a USB stick. We have a video for that as well. But when you're done, yes, you can do the trash can, but it only clears out this part. When you want to clear out this area, so maybe you end up with 10 designs, you've already stitched them out, you don't need them anymore, you're going to come up to the settings, go to settings again, and go over to the gear at the bottom, and it will say clear download cache. That is like clearing that whole section. Touch the green check mark, and all those designs, all one of our designs today, are cleared out. So that is the fastest way to clear everything out, and then you kind of get a fresh slate to add in and save additional designs. Walk through those steps, give it a try. That way you know how to do it on your machine, and then when you do need to save a design, you know exactly the steps it takes.